Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to fix Roblox voice chat not working. So let's get started. First, open the Roblox website and click the gear icon at the top right. Then go to your settings. Make sure your age is verified, as voice chat is only available if you're over 13 and have completed the age verification. Once done, go to the Privacy tab and enable voice chat. Now for in-game fixes. When in a Roblox game, pause the game and go to Settings. Ensure your volume is turned up and that you're not muted. The microphone icon should respond when you speak. If not, click to unmute it. Lastly, check your microphone input in Settings. Select the correct device, usually your default USB microphone or headset. For example, I use my AirPods Pro. Also, check that you haven't accidentally muted other players by clicking on their speaker icon. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.